There lived a wise and kind king named King Davar. He was known for his justice and dedication to helping his people. He spent his days solving the problems of his kingdom. Among his 3 advisors, one was deceitful and secretly plotted to seize the throne. One day, the cunning advisor devised a plan to accuse King Davar of treason. He forged a document that falsely claimed the king was planning to sell the kingdom to its enemies. During a public court session, the advisor presented the fake document and accused the king of betrayal. The people in the court were shocked, staring at the king in disbelief. With calm composure, King Davar said, "If you believe I am guilty, justice must be served. But let us go to the great temple and ask the gods to reveal the truth." Everyone agreed and followed him to the temple. At the temple, the king declared, "Whoever is innocent may pass through the flame of this sacred candle. If they are guilty, the flame will burn them." King Davar was the first to walk through the flame, and he emerged unharmed. However, the deceitful advisor, terrified by his guilt, didn't dare approach the flame. The truth was revealed, and the advisor confessed to his treachery. King Davar restored justice once again and vowed to always fight for the truth. His kingdom remained peaceful and just for many years to come.